Andhra Association Raipur proudly presents Purna Kalabhushan to Sri C. Nataraj Bhatt. As an artist, Sri Nataraj Bhatt is renowned for his perfectionism. He is a multifaceted artist, revered as a guru by many in various fields, earning him great respect. As a writer, Sri Nataraj Bhatt has scripted and directed the acclaimed TV serial Muva, which won 5 Nandi Awards, setting a record. He also wrote several stories and articles. His short film, Samantha, received 2 Nandi Awards and praise from many notable personalities. Sri Nataraj Bhatt retired as the chief makeup artist at Doordarshan. Notably, he was a close associate of the renowned director Balachandra and served as his personal letter writer. Sir, it's important for an artist to be versatile enough to be able to perform in different positions with perfection and earn acclaim in every field. Sri C. Nataraj Bhatt, out of his sheer passion, has created the magic of his art. Andhra Association is proud and honored to felicitate and confer the title of Purna Kalabhushan to Sri C. Nataraj Bhatt in recognition of Sir's remarkable service to the cultural sphere on 19 January 2025 on the occasion of Sankranti Milansema celebration at Raipur with loads of regards and blessings of Lord Balaji from President Shiji Swami and all the executive members of Andhra Association.
Govinda!